Hey guys, how are y'all? Long time no see. So, I haven't been posted any video recently sebab ada banyak kerja. Yes, I am working on a regular job. So, sebab tu tak cukup masa untuk upload video. So, today is going to be a video on side mirror. Okay. So, ada cerita sebaliknya. So, today's video hari ni agak pendek sebab dia adalah satu pemasangan yang sangat pendek, sangat senang, and also boleh dikira beginner level lah. So something happened to my dad's car. Okay, so kereta ayah saya, Perodua Bezza, and he was driving out to get some stuff, and then tiba-tiba ada satu kereta datang from the opposite side, and then termasuk lane ke ayah saya, and so for whatever reason you decided to enter that lane. I hope you have a damn good reason for it. So because of this, both cars, my dad's car and his car, side mirror cover dia keluar, dan sama sekali kereta ayah saya, mirror dia pun tercabut sekali. So, dan dia pula ialah dia punya cover tercabut. And the best thing about this story is he stop for a while, tengok-tengok, and then he just continue driving macam tak ada benda je. Oh God, Happy New Year guys. So anyway, video ni gives me an opportunity to show you guys kalau korang ada had this similar incident, then hopefully video ni boleh bagi sedikit bantuan, just in case you want to do your own DIY replacement of the side mirror cover or the mirror as well. Ada juga yang kat luar sana yang diorang nak tukar side mirror because of the aesthetic look. So macam dia ada carbon fiber cover limited special edition ke, ataupun cover dia ada design sikit. So method ni adalah sama juga, you can apply this method juga. So obviously benda-benda yang saya beli adalah dari spare part shop dengan Shopee. So at the end of this video, I'll put a link in the description. So kalau korang nak tahu mana nak beli spare part dia ke, atau mana nak beli dia punya item ke, so you guys can check out the link lah. Okay, so let's get started, and I will see you at the end of the video. Okay guys, so saya akan mula pemasangan sekarang, and I'm going to start with the mirror dulu. So as you can see, kita kena first buka dia punya backing tape. Alright, so backing tape ni ialah untuk melekat kepada base dia, and ini adalah dia punya clips. Okay, clips dia banyak yang akan dimasuk ke dalam base bracket dia di sini. So first kita akan ambil cermin dia and cuba align pada dia punya base cover clips tu, dan bila dia dah align, kita cuma kena tolak dia sampai terdengar satu bunyi pop. Then kita akan test dengan menggunakan switch mirror to make sure that semua angle dia berjalan dengan sempurna dan tidak tersangkut dengan base cover dia. Okay, next kita akan buat cover dia, and di sini kita ada nampak satu macam insulator. So make sure cover dia covers over the insulator. Okay, dan selepas itu bila semua tepi dah align, kita cuma kena tolak dia ke dalam. So then we want to make sure that semua bahagian tepi dia telah masuk, dan make sure there is no gaps. Okay, dengan menggunakan jari anda to feel that there is no gaps. So
once when this is done, then installation pun dah habis. Itu sahaja guys.
Okay guys, so I hope that video ada beri sedikit bantuan pada korang yang ingin buka side mirror cover dengan side mirror juga. Okay, so before I end this video, I want to thank everyone, all the new subscribers and old subscribers that subscribe kepada channel saya. Thank you so much guys for helping out this channel, even though I'm not really an active YouTuber. And I also want to say thanks to all you guys for helping me to create this small little community that we can help out each other, and hopefully we get to learn something out of it, you know. So okay, I'll see you in the next video guys. See ya.